In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install latest version of Python on Windows 11. We're going to set up Python 3.11.4 using the 64-bit installer from the official Python website. Okay, let's get started. Go to Google and type download Python. Go to the first search result. Click on the yellow button that says Install Python 3.11.4 to download the file. Click on the downloaded file to start installation. Make sure not to skip this important step. You have to click on Add Python to Path checkbox. This will make sure that after Python is installed, you will be able to run it from any location on the hard drive, not just the directory where it was installed. This will allow programs like VS Code to use it internally from its own terminal, for example. Once installation completes, let's check the Python version from command line, just to make sure it's installed and it works. Open your command prompt. Type Python -version and press enter. If you see Python 3.11.4 printed on the console, congratulations, you've just successfully installed Python on Windows 11.